Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Beyblade Kit is probably one of the most exciting and dynamic toys available today, offering endless hours of competitive fun for kids and adults alike. With a wide array of customizable parts, each Beyblade can be uniquely designed to suit different battling strategies, from aggressive attackers to defensive spinners. The thrill of launching your creation into the arena and watching it clash with others is an unparalleled experience, making it a must-have for any aspiring Beymaster looking to dominate the competition and claim victory in epic stadium showdowns. Number 5. Beyblade Burst Turbo Slingshock Rail Rush Battle Set. Get ready for an intense battle with this amazing set. The dual rail system amps up the excitement, allowing you to launch from different sections of the stadium for a varied attack. Activate your Slingshock strategy by converting the performance tips. These specially designed tips allow for rail riding capabilities, switching between Battle Ring mode and Slingshock mode. This complete set includes everything you need to start battling right away. You'll find the Slingshock Rail Rush Base Stadium, 2 launchers, and 2 powerful battling tops. Take on your opponents with Wonder Voltriac, an attack-type top, and Z Achilles, a balance-type top. These are ready for action right out of the box. This toy is perfect for kids aged 8 and up who love to collect, customize, and compete. You can even mix and match components with other compatible tops. Take your battles to the next level by scanning the code on the tops. Unleash them in the Beyblade Burst app and mix and match components for endless customization. What we like. This set introduces a unique dual rail system that adds an exciting new dimension to battles. You can activate special Slingshock abilities by converting the performance tips. If you're looking for a Beyblade experience that combines physical play with digital integration, this is the one for you. What people say. The Beyblade Kit includes a variety of Beyblades with different attack and defense capabilities, allowing for diverse battle strategies. The stadium included in the kit is well designed, providing a stable and engaging arena for Beyblade battles. The Beyblades are made of durable materials, ensuring they can withstand intense battles and last for a long time. Number 4. Battle Burst Gyro Toy Set. Get ready for an epic battle with this incredible Gyro toy set. It comes with everything you need for exciting duels. With 12 spinning tops and launchers, the choices for battles are endless. Experience a variety of exciting matchups. Crafted from the best ABS material, these toys are built for safety and durability. Enjoy hours of intense play. Watch as the tops burst apart in thrilling battles. Feel the excitement and joy of combat with every spin. This game is perfect for family game nights or playing with friends. Enhance your relationships while having a blast. Remember, tops bursting apart during battle is normal and part of the fun. It's not a quality issue. If you encounter any issues, our customer service is here to help. We'll resolve any problems quickly for you. What we like. With a generous 12 spinning tops and 3 launchers, this set offers incredible variety for extended play. It's made from safe and durable ABS material, ensuring longevity. If you want a gift that provides maximum choices and replayability for kids, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Beyblade has a unique design that allows for impressive spinning capabilities. The kit includes several different Beyblades, each with distinct performance characteristics, offering variety for battles. The construction of the Beyblade is durable, with high-quality materials that withstand intense clashes. Number 3. MUSTYBELT Battling Top Gyro Toy Set, Bose, B8. Get ready for an epic showdown with this exciting battling top set. It's designed for thrilling combat and endless fun for kids. More than just a game, this toy helps develop motor skills and fosters a healthy competitive spirit. Watch them learn and grow while they play. Crafted from the finest ABS material, these tops are built to last and ensure safe play. You can be confident in their durability and safety. Feel the excitement of battle as you launch into action. This set brings the joy of competition right to your fingertips. With 8 spinning tops and 2 launchers, the possibilities for battles are limitless. They'll have more choices for diverse and engaging gameplay. Looking for the ideal present? This set makes a fantastic gift for parties, birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. It's a guaranteed hit. What we like. This set comes with 8 spinning tops and 2 launchers, providing a good selection for engaging battles. It's also highlighted as a fantastic educational toy that can improve motor skills and competitive awareness. If you are looking for a gift that is both fun and beneficial for a child's development, consider this. What people say. These Beyblade are amazing. They are very durable and I've had them for about a week now and they still work perfectly. The set comes with a carrying case and 12 individual tops, which makes it feel like a complete battle kit. Having everything organized in one box is a big plus, especially for kids who like to bring their toys to friends' houses. The storage box is durable and great for neatly housing all the bays and accessories. The item, box, snap closes, has a handle and can be carried everywhere. Number 2. Gyro's 6 pieces Metal Fusion Starter Set. Get ready for an epic showdown with this exciting battling top starter set. Experience the thrill of intense battles with these powerful spinning tops. Crafted for durability and balance, these tops offer incredible stamina and a fierce look. They spin for extended periods, delivering powerful attacks and solid defense. Made from high-quality metal and plastic, they provide an engaging battle experience. The stable metal energy ring ensures they withstand impacts, offering diverse designs and abilities for exciting fights. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to begin your battles. You'll find multiple spinning tops, launchers, stickers, and metal chassis for endless fun. Designed for kids aged 6 and up, these toys encourage friendly competition. They are perfect for boys and girls looking for exciting head-to-head battling games. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. What we like. Featuring metal fusion components, these battling tops boast excellent durability and impressive stamina. They are designed for long rotations and great attack and defense capabilities. If you prioritize powerful performance and a classic metal battling experience, this set is a strong contender. What people say. The Beyblade Kit includes a variety of Beyblades with different performance types, allowing for diverse battle strategies. The stadium included in the kit is durable and provides a good arena for Beyblade battles, with high enough walls to keep the Beyblades contained. The Beyblades themselves are well constructed with sturdy parts that can withstand intense battles without breaking easily. Number 1. Elfnico Gyro Battling Blade Set. Get ready for action with this complete set. It includes everything a beginner needs to start battling right away. Just set up the stadium and tops, and let the fun begin. Take the excitement with you wherever you go. This set comes in a sturdy, portable storage box that keeps everything organized and protected. It's perfect for challenging friends on the go. This isn't just a game, it's a chance to grow. It helps develop strategic thinking and problem-solving skills while fostering a healthy competitive spirit. It's the perfect blend of learning and fun. Searching for an exciting gift for kids aged 6 and up? This battling top set is an ideal choice for birthdays or holidays. It's guaranteed to bring hours of entertainment. We're here to ensure you have a great experience. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're committed to addressing your needs. What we like. This comprehensive set includes 12 spinning tops and 4 launchers, offering a lot of variety for group play. A standout feature is the portable storage box, keeping everything organized and ready for battle anywhere. If you need a complete package with easy portability and plenty of options for multiple players, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It comes with multiple launchers, including 12 unique spinning tops and 4 launchers, offering diverse and endless ways to play. The spinning tops are well made and durable, perfect for intense battles with friends or solo practice. The included storage case is also a great feature. It's easy to carry, making it convenient to take to a friend's house or on weekend trips, keeping children entertained for hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.